Here's an introduction of the camera control panel of the HDAF200. The camera control panel controls the camera to achieve the best image quality according to specific applications. If you move the mouse cursor to the left side of the window, the panel will pop up automatically. Left-clicking the pin button keeps the camera control panel on screen, and clicking the pin button again will auto-hide the panel. Let's go through the features of the panel. Snap. That captures an image of the current image window. A record records motion video from the current image window. Settings for each of those capture methods can be adjusted. Auto exposure automatically adjusts exposure time according to the exposure comp value inputted. The exposure comp value makes the image brighter or darker by adjusting exposure time and does that automatically. Exposure time is only available when auto exposure is unchecked. And basic reference, faster time is darker image, slower time is a brighter image. Gain. That raises the intensity of the image, which makes it brighter, but noise will be increased accordingly. For these white balance settings, green is base for reference and cannot be adjusted, but red and blue values can be adjusted by sliding left or right to decrease or increase the proportion of red or blue in the image window. There is also auto white balance adjustment according to the image window, and you can also use a white paper or reference card if needed. Sharpness adjusts sharpness digitally in the image. Denoise softens the image to reduce noise, but you may lose details in certain areas. Saturation increases the intensity of color for all pixels. Gamma can be decreased or increased by sliding left or right. Contrast can be adjusted by sliding left and right. When using DC illumination, there is no fluctuation in your light source, so there's no need to compensate for light flickering. So in this case, we are using DC. There's also AC 50 Hz, which eliminates flickering caused by 50 Hz illumination, as well as 60 Hz, which eliminates flickering caused by 60 Hz illumination. And if you want to reset settings back to original, you can click the default button.